Now, do you ever feel that your style sucks or it just got boring and bland? I don't know about you, but it's happened to me several times. And honestly, I think that's normal because us as humans always want change and excitement to spice things up, keep things interesting. Well, today, we're gonna be spicing up your wardrobe by infusing it with some excitement. Today, we're gonna go over the top 5 things you can do to reinvigorate your style, kind of reinvent it for 2018. All right, so the number 1 thing you're going to want to do to get rid of that boring old closet is answer the tough questions. This is phase 1. Sometimes you just have to be truthful with yourself, even if it's not what you want to hear. Is your wardrobe bland? Is it not what you want to be? Did you just stop caring about your style? Well, if any of these questions are true, if you start to analyze it and you're like, man, my wardrobe does suck or my style is horrible, then you need to get up and do something about it. The first step is always the hardest one, recognizing the problem. This sounds like I'm having an AA meeting with you guys, but hey, there's an intervention. We're styleaholics here, but it's okay. Jose's here to fix things out. The second thing you're gonna wanna do is to use clothing you have in a different way. Many times, we already have the basics we need, stylish basics that you can use several ways. The problem is that you probably don't know how to fully milk all the style out of that. My best tip and what I realized a long time ago, go on Instagram, go on Pinterest, use a hashtag for whatever clothing item you have, whether it be a denim jacket or a leather jacket or a bomber jacket, and see how other people are wearing it. That's gonna inspire you to use it differently. For example, I remember a long time ago, I would have never thought to wear a turtleneck under a denim jacket. The turtleneck is so classy and elegant. The denim jacket is it's a casual piece of workwear. The two together made no sense. However, when I finally saw it on someone, it's like a light went off. It looks amazing. It's such a great style combination. Number 3, accessorize, accessorize, accessorize. I cannot force this enough. If you ever want to avoid from your looks from becoming stale and boring, you need to accessorize. From sunglasses, to watches, to bracelets. There's so many different items that you can incorporate into your style that the variations are endless, and for your style to become bland when you have accessories, it's almost impossible. Let's start with one of the most affordable items you can buy. A rose gold and black bracelet. That's why they are our sponsor, and I love promoting them to you guys because it's such a stylish, small, affordable piece that you can incorporate to your collection that will instantly reinvigorate your wardrobe. I could easily take off my watch and my bracelet and now I'm just your average guy in a bland white tee, but just because I decided to add a couple accessories, it instantly elevates my style. And that's what I love about rose gold and black. It's such a small piece, but it has a loud message. And the way they do that, it's the design that they have. That's what's great about this type of jewelry. It's not over the top that it's gonna take away and actually make your outfit look tacky, but it's not so subtle that people won't notice. It's just the right balance of style that adds to your overall look. The way they do that, everything is minimal and the color aesthetics that they use. Hence the name rose gold and black. Basically, everything that you're gonna see on their site will either have rose, gold, or black as their main color in their jewelry. Start with something small. You don't have to do a lot and see how you feel. See if it adds to your style. If you feel on top of the world, then you start building. Buy more bracelets, buy more necklaces. But again, you only need to start with one. If you guys want to check out rose gold and black, I'm going to have it linked below. That link, our special link, everything you're gonna see on there, super heavily discounted. The discount code is stronger than ever just for you guys, so you guys can start reinvigorating your style, looking more stylish. So if you guys want to check out rose gold and black, it's gonna be linked down below. The 4th thing you're gonna want to do this year, stop wasting your money. This is the best way you're gonna be able to reinvigorate your style, reinvent your style. You see, because most of us fall in this stale routine. You go to the store and you see that white t-shirt. Oh, I like that, let me buy that. You see those white sneakers. I do it all the time. Oh, let me buy that. I need one of those. No, I don't. I have 6 white sneakers already and like 10 white t-shirts. So my recommendation, don't go blindly in when you're ready to shop online or at the mall. Make sure you have kind of like an action plan. And it doesn't have to be serious, it can be mental, or you can write it down if you're more of that type of guy. But keep a mental list of things you already have and things you actually need. If you want to, write it down. And while you're making that list of things you need, think of things that will make you look more stylish. Again, go back to Instagram and Pinterest. Think of style items that will kind of get you out of your comfort zone. Things that are trending right now and again will spice up your wardrobe. And finally, number 5, the last thing you can do to reinvent your style, switch up your grooming habit. Keep in mind that clothing isn't the only way to change your style. The way you groom yourself can have huge impacts. For example, in the beginning of this year, I decided to change things up. I wanted to shave off my beard. I was bored. Or if you don't have facial hair you can play with to change kind of like how you look, your hairstyle. Almost everybody has hair, so you can play around with your hairstyle. So for example, if you part your hair towards the right, switch it up. Try to comb towards the left. What's gonna happen is that now you're combing against the grain, against what's normal. So now your hair's gonna have a whole bunch of volume and lift and give you a completely different hairstyle for free. So there's so many little things that you can do to change your grooming, to change your overall style and appearance. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. It's going to be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.